The Starfire Solaris, as all-season 195/60R15. 88H tire offers a solid blend of performance and reliability, making it a commendable choice for everyday driving across various weather conditions. Designed for year-round usability, this tire features a symmetrical tread pattern that enhances traction on both wet and dry surfaces. With a section width of 195 millimeters and a tread depth of 9.5 to 30 seconds, it provides a stable grip while promoting even wear throughout its lifespan. The load capacity of 1,235 pounds ensures it can handle the demands of most compact cars and sedans, catering to a wide range of drivers. Additionally, the tire's maximum pressure of 44 psi contributes to fuel efficiency and performance optimization. Overall, the Starfire Solaris, as all-season tire, stands out as a reliable option that balances comfort, durability, and versatile performance, making it suitable for drivers seeking dependable year-round tires without breaking the bank.